guys, I wanted to come on and do a quick rundown because I have been watching my calories, so I wanted to do this quick rundown so you guys can see exactly how much you can get for a little bit of calories. So hold on, don't mind all this is just stuff I gotta put away. So right now I am eating this pickles, have no calories. I got 4 on here, but I know that Darian's gonna want one, so I'm really gonna eat 3. So there's no calories in the pickles at all. This amount of meat here, which is 6 slices of deli meat, has 70 calories for 6 slices of deli meat. The string cheese has 80 calories and only 1 carb. So that is 150 calories. Diet soda has no calories. So your diet sodas have no calories. Your pickles is a good snack to snack on. The only thing is it has a lot of sodium. So if you're watching your sodium intake, then pickles, I would say 1 or 2, because it's a lot of sodium in it. But I don't have to watch my sodium intake because my blood pressure is fine and all that. And there's also sodium in the pops. Let's see if I can get you to focus. Yeah, probably not. Okay, there's 25 grams of sodium in this pop. And then there's 200 and something in the pickles. And then the string cheese, like I said, has 80 calories and 1 carb. And then the meat, which is the protein, has 70 calories for all the 6. So it's not 70 calories a piece, it's 70 calories for 6 pieces. So this is $150 calorie plate here in my pop. So the thing about what was I about to say? The counting of the calories is to eat foods that you're going to enjoy that has the lowest amount of calories. Like I said, diet pops have no calories. I'm not a big pop drinker. I drink a lot of the sparkling waters and stuff, but Diet 7-Up, and then this is a 7.5 ounce. So it's a smaller pop. If I want to drink one, I'll drink these little 7.5 ounce pop. I drink lots of water. And I also drink the flavored waters, and I've been watching my calorie count. So with that being said, I'm going to eat this. I'm still debating if I'm going to the gym. I probably won't. I don't know. I'm still debating because I would have been leaving in probably about 10 minutes and I'm not even dressed. That's how my morning's been going. So I doubt if I go to the gym today. But I will get on my treadmill, or I will, once I pick Mimi up, go for a walk around the neighborhood with my dog. So I'm going to eat this, and then I will see you guys in a little while. Out at the nature park, out enjoying this day. It's kind of warm up. This is my first time coming down here since they redone it, and it's so pretty. It's just a trail. We got the water. It's a nice bright day. I started back there, so I am out killing some time before I go get Mimi. What time is it? So I'm probably gonna do about a 15-minute walk down, and then a 15-minute walk back, and then that'll give me at close to the time where it's time to go get him. Now this park It's a park that we used to come to all the time as kids, and they just redid it. It's been taken over by the nature parks. And I haven't been down here since they first made it, since they opened it up. I think it's been open, I think they opened it last summer, so almost a year. They opened it back up. So I'm gonna do this walk because I just didn't feel like being in the gym. It's nice out, so look at that. I didn't feel like being in the gym, so I decided to come down and do a walk on the trail, and that's where I'm at, doing a walk on the trail. Yeah, so cute. Look at the water. You got the trees and the trail. So I am going to turn on some music and do this walk, and I will be back with you guys in a little bit so I can start getting my steps from my step counter, because it's on my wrist. But yeah, it's beautiful down here. I'm gonna have to bring Zena down, my dog, and come walk with me. Probably tomorrow morning. Me and her will come down here and walk. Since it's nice out, I can start walking instead of having to go to the gym. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. So I've gotten down to the other side of the park real quick. So I'm gonna go down, and I am going to lap the park, and then I'll turn around and go back the other way. I've been walking for about 10 minutes. My phone is acting a fool. I was trying to turn on some music, and I can't even get it to turn on. It's got to be because there's so many trees and stuff down here. So I had turned it on, but then when I went to try to change the song, it won't let me change it. So I am down here. I think that's the road to come down on the other side. There's a road there. I don't know if you can see it. There's like a fence that right there. On the other side, I'm thinking the other entry. Yep, that's the other entrance of the park. And like I said, this is my first time down here since they redid it, and it's so pretty. They got the play area for the kids. I'll probably, since it's nice out, I'll probably bring the kids out later. It depends on what time Mimi wants to go out, because I know he wants to go out to eat. And I don't know what time he's trying to go out to eat. Is this a road? I don't think this is a road. I think this is part of the... I don't think you can travel this all the way down, all the way around. Like, I guess they didn't open it. It's not the crossing there. But I don't think this is... Maybe it's for bike. Maybe it's the bike trail. But it says handicap accessible, so I don't think this is a street. I don't think you can get in out there this way. Or you gotta come down one side to get to this side. I don't know. But it's nice and quiet out here. I'll probably bring Me and Zena probably come out and go for a walk later on out here. Maybe. I don't know. I have to wait to bring the boys because I'm pretty sure they're not going to walk this walk. And Devontae is not going, Darian is not going to ride his bike this far. So that'll be a job in itself. So I'll wait till I get a little more familiar with the area before I actually bring the boys out. Let's see how much time do I got. Probably about, so if I leave out of here by 10:30, so I got about a half an hour still. So I'll only walk 10 minutes down this way, so I'll loop around, go back around and head back down to my car. Alright. There's a guy up here walking towards me. I don't know, but I'm about to. Yeah. But alright. Oh, it's two people up there. I guess they was making a little pit stop. Alright. Hopefully y'all can hear me because this wind is blowing. Headed back to the car. See, I got down here in about 15 minutes, which isn't bad. So I'm gonna head back towards the car, and that'll be 15 minutes, so that'll be a half an hour walk. And I'm gonna try to do this every day, at least like 3 times a week. If I can't get to the gym, with it being nice out, I don't really want to go sit in the gym. But even on the Tuesdays and Thursdays that Mimi goes to dialysis, and it's just me and Darian, I can come out with him in his stroller and just push him, and then like I did today, about 9:30, do the walk, loop back around, be back at the car by 10:30 or 10:15, and then go pick him up. But yeah, I'll put some pictures in. I was taking some pictures. Look, it is so pretty down here. Look at that, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. It's so, yeah, it's just a nature park with lots of nature, lots of trees. And I'm enjoying it by myself, which is crazy. So, like I said, I hope y'all can hear me. The wind is definitely blowing. Definitely blowing. And it's supposed to have, this camera's supposed to have audio adjusting, but I never vlogged outside as windy as it is to see if it has the audio adjusting. But yeah, so let me finish this walk and then I'll meet you guys back at the car.